I'm Paris Modoni from High Hope Junior School, a proud member of the 4K Club. In integrated farming, first of all, what is integrated farming? Integrated farming is a combination of various farming activities done on a single plot. Here we have grown our vegetables in front of on the rooftop of the chicken coop. The vegetables that can be grown here are the Chinese cabbage, calkiels, there is cowpeas, and the black nightshade.
The structure works like this. You take your crops, feed them to your poultry, and the poultry will provide us with manure. That manure will feed it back to our crops in order to have good health. Yeah, my colleagues will also talk about the importance and where can we have this structure.
Good morning, Mr. President. My name is Immaculate Maxine from Blessed Hope. I'm fine. I'd like to talk about the importance of this structure here. The importance is it is a source of income. It also saves space. Thank you for your time. Yes. Yes.
Very good.
We have nice to speak to you, Mr. President.
Hello. How
Hello.
are you?
Fine.
What's your name?
Faith Mudoni.
Faith. How are you, Faith?
I'm fine.
My name is William Nunjua.
Yes. Okay.
Hello. How are you?
Welcome.
Thank you.
My name is Faith Modoni. I'm a member of 4K Club, Alana Inshura Primary School. Innovative gardening is inventing an idea of different methods of planting crops so as to maximize space. The main aim of innovative gardening is to promote food security. Like here, we have multi-story garden, Madiaba garden, and Taya garden. And instead of using pesticide, we have used spring onions and Mexican marigold to repel pests. Yes, as 4K Club, we are here to educate people so that in future there could be food security. I'm also going to thank you, His Excellency, Dr. William Ruto, for being with us today and the people who created time to be with us today. Indeed, you are the best. I have a special clap for you. Make a nice clap and another one and a better one. You are the best of all. Thank you.
So I have a few questions for you. Is that okay? Is that okay?
Yes.
Very good. So you are a member of 4K Club.
Yes.
Have you been taught? Have you been trained on how to grow the crops?
Yes.
How to water them? What kind of fertilizer you need?
Yes.
And all that.
Yes.
So can you explain to me a bit?
Okay, by watering, water in the morning and evening when they are small, but when they are big, we water only in the evening. And the fertilizer that we have used does not have any chemical. It's the BT. Yes.
It's that?
The BT. It's called the BT.
There is
Yes.
no chemical.
Yes.
So it is organic.
It's organic farming.
Okay, it's organic farming.
Yes, you can see like we have not used pesticide. We have
Fence them?
Do fencing.
Yes.
Number two.
Number 2 is to put scarecrows.
Number two is put scarecrows.
Yes.
Number three.
Number 3 is to put pesticides to scare away the pests.
Okay, Mr. Tibet.
Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Amy, how are you?
Fine.
Very good.
I'm a student from Good Testimony International School.
Yes.
And a proud member of 4K Club. I'm here with Azelia Mburu. I'm also a proud member of the 4K Club here at the Nairobi International Trade Fair, representing Good Testimony International School 4K Club. I'm also here with
Charlene Awur. I am a proud 4K Club member from Good Testimony International School.
So here we have amaranthus,
Yes.
locally known as terere. These species are known as dubious. They are not just leafy vegetables.
Yes.
They have a symbol of